To this video. A circle with center A and radius 12 has diameter BC. A second circle with diameter AC is drawn. The tangent from B to this circle meets circle center A at the point D. What is the length of BD? This was taken from the ukmt Senior Team Maths Challenge 2017. If you would like to give it a go, make sure to pause the video now. Okay, so first let's number the lines we know. This will be 12, 6 and 6, as we know that the radius of the bigger circle is 12. And we can number BD, the one that we want to find out, as x. Okay, so our aim is to use Pythagoras to find x. And what we can do, we can draw this line from D to C, and it forms a right angle. So we need to find DC, as we already know BC, and then we can put it into the Pythagorean theorem. So we can draw another parallel line that we know the length of. As it is a radius, it will be 6, because that's the radius of the smaller circle. Okay, so now the two triangles formed are similar, as all the angles are the same, as they share the angle at B, and the other two are corresponding. So this means that all the sides are in the same ratio. We need to find this. So the side of the smaller triangle, which we'll call A, is 18, as it's 12 plus 6, and the side of the bigger triangle, which is in fact the whole triangle, is 24, as it's 12 plus 6 plus 6. Okay, so to find the ratio, we'll do 18 divided by 24, and this will be the ratio of the smaller triangle to the bigger one. Okay, so now we can apply this ratio to 6 and DC. So the ratio of 6 to DC is the ratio of 18 to 24. 18 to 24 both can be divided by 3 to give 6 and 8. So this means that DC is 8. So now we can write that there. And now we can finally use Pythagoras, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Let's draw a triangle. A will be x, b will be 8, and c will be 24. So now we can substitute in our values and get x squared plus 8 squared equals 24 squared. Move 8 squared to the other side to get x squared equals 576, take away 64, which is 512, and the square root of 512 is 16 root 2, so this will be our answer. Thank you for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, goodbye.